Billy, I've been looking everywhere for you. What are you guys even doing?
We're playing poker.
You guys are all supposed to be working.
It was his idea.
Billy, you have a programming job to do. You know this.
All right.
Come on, let's go.
Howdy y'all, today we are programming a new key for this 2012 Chevrolet Cruze, and today we're using the new AutoProPAD G3 Evolution to do so. And the G3 Evolution is using a new vehicle connection interface, or VCI for short. And so let's jump into this and see how the new G3 Evolution works on a Chevrolet Cruze from 2012. All right, folks, we're gonna plug in the vehicle connection interface. So to do that, you find the OBD2 port. Pretty simple to find on this vehicle, and the VCI does come with a fancy yellow lanyard so that it's easy to see and so you don't lose the VCI. All right, folks, we're going to be using the AutoProPAD G3 Evolution today for this 2012 Chevrolet Cruze, and we have the customer's original key, which is broken. Going to rectify that. Brand new key, already cut using the Black Widow like you saw earlier, and we are ready to start programming. First thing we got to do, pull up our AutoProPAD G3 Evolution. We're going to hit key programming. Disclaimer here, don't use this for nefarious stuff or criminal stuff. Hit agree to terms and conditions. And now find Chevrolet. Authenticating. Select by model. And this is a Cruze, so we're going to come over, find Cruze, select Cruze. And this is a 2012, so it's going to be in the 2010 to 2016 range. All right, it's going to start communicating. So we need to insert the customer's key, which when the customer's key is broken, makes things a little bit more interesting. All right. All right, we're going to be doing a key programming. So we're going to say continue to key programming. We're going to read the pin because we're going to need the pin. If it's offering the pin, we're going to read the pin. So let's read the pin. It's communicating. Read pin code. We're going to select read pin code. Type 1 scan tool is going to read pin. Do you want to continue? We want the pin code, so we're going to hit yes. All right, the pin code is 1560. Okay. All right, we're gonna hit back, and then we're gonna select blade key, immobilizer system. Reminder, if the MO light still shows after key programming, please disconnect the negative pole battery for about 3 minutes. All right, we will remember that. All right, so now we're going to program the key. So we're going to program, it's not a smart key, it's just a standard blade. We're going to hit add a key. Close all doors and switch ignition on. Press yes to continue. All right, 4-digit password, 1560. Hit OK. Now it is communicating. Configuring the system. Please wait for 10 minutes. It's got a timer, and then please ensure that the vehicle has sufficient power and cannot be in a sleep state. So keep the vehicle awake, don't let it go to sleep. And now we'll wait 10 minutes. All right, folks, we're almost done waiting that 10 minutes. Got 15-ish minutes or 15-ish seconds left. Thankfully not minutes. Let's see. Configuring system. All right. Let us see what is going to happen. First, open the door, then close the door. Next is to confirm all electrical components is off, then press OK to continue. So we are going to do that. All right. Now we're going to close the door and OK to continue. Please insert the key you wish to be programmed and switch the ignition to on position, then press OK to continue. To on, OK. Want to program another key. All right, we don't want to program another key, so we're gonna hit no. All right, folks, we press no. I'm gonna set the AutoProPAD down for a second. Let's test this key out and see if she works. And what do you know? She's working just fine. Looks like we are all good to go. Next thing we gotta do is we gotta test the buttons on this here remote. Let's give it a second. Don't want to shut it off too soon. Oh, what the heck? Let's shut her off. All right, folks, let's test the buttons on this. Unlocks, locks, unlocks. There's the trunk button. Don't know if you could hear it. We heard it. It clicked. And then, you know what? Let's test the alarm and see what happens. And the alarm works too. So we're all good to go. We just programmed this key. Let's go get the customer back on the road. Alrighty, folks, that was pretty simple now. Using the AutoProPAD G3 Evolution for this 2012 Chevrolet Cruze made it super simple. Now, if you don't mind, I got a game to get back to. Y'all take care.
I actually got a pretty decent hand.
That's what Ian said too.
And we're using the new, what is this called?
VCI, Vehicle Communication Interface. Let's wait for this plane and for them to go.
Vehicle Communication Interface. Vehicle interface. Vehicle Communication Interface. Vehicle Communication Interface. Vehicle Communication Interface. Vehicle Communication Interface. Howdy y'all, today we're going to be programming a new key for this 2012 Chevrolet Cruze. And it comes with a fancy new Vehicle Communication Interface. It's a lot of words, but VCI cuts all the extra words out of it.
Hey, congratulations, you've made it to the end of the video. You probably deserve a medal, maybe a plaque, but hey, I wanna make sure that when you're commenting that you're including the hashtag Lockboss. When you do, you automatically get entered in to win one of 5 free prizes we're giving away each week here live on YouTube on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. We'll see you in the comments.